Hey guys, it's Dan here, and what I'm going to be making in the cast iron for you today is some pork chops and a mushroom gravy. So let's get started on this. I got my pan preheating already. I'm just going to put a little bit of oil in the bottom, or sometimes a tiny bit more than a little bit. No big deal, it'll all be alright, I promise you. Get that around. Let me grab my tongs. And these are just boneless center cut pork chops that I put a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper on. And all I'm doing right now is trying to get a good sear, a good crust on them. So let me get that heat turned up just a tiny bit more. Alright, well let these go for a few minutes and get each side seared up, and then I'll be right back with you. Alright, let's see what these look like. I believe they've been on long enough to flip. Man, that smells so good. Oh yeah, that's developing a real nice crust there. So let's go get the rest of these flipped. Those are starting to look beautiful. I'll be back here in just a few minutes once this part's done. Alright. There's only certain things you can accomplish this golden brown with. I don't know if the camera does it any justice or not. But I mean, cast iron, I'm telling you right now, look how beautiful these are getting. If you've never tried cooking with cast iron, you've got to try at least once in your life. I don't think you'll ever cook with anything else ever again. I mean, just the flavor, that nice sear and everything, it just amazes me. And I know I say that in about half my videos, but it really does. Well, I'm going to pull these off real quick and get ready for the next step. So while I'm fighting these with these little tongs, I should have grabbed bigger tongs. I won't bore you with this section, so I'll be back in a minute. Alright, I got those out, and I got rid of the biggest portion of that grease. I left a little bit on it, and I left the residue from the pork chops in there for extra flavor. So what I have now is these are sliced baby portobello mushrooms. It's a ½ pound. And we're just going to cook these up, get all this goodness in there. I got a total of 2 cups of water. I'm just going to add a little bit at a time. And what that does, that helps deglaze the bottom of this pan, get the goodness off the bottom from those pork chops. So I'm going to cook these till they soften up, and I'll be back with you here in just a few minutes once I get these all good and soft. Alright, these mushrooms have softened up nicely. They're putting out a great aroma. They smell awesome. So the next step is, I've got 2 packets of this McCormick's mushroom gravy. I'm just going to dump 2 packets right on top here. And then I'm going to slowly add the rest of that water. Alright, so now I have a total of 2 cups of water in here. I might end up needing a little more water depending upon how this thickens up as the pork chops finish cooking. But get all this mixed together good. And then I'm just going to add the pork chops back in. Get them nestled down nice and try to get these pork chops where they're down on the bottom. And then quite a bit of this juice. And I'm just going to let this simmer until the pork chops are done. Like I said, I don't know if I'll have to add more water or not. Right now the gravy looks like it's a little thin, so I'm going to let it reduce down. And then depending upon how long it takes, I'll know whether I need to add more water or not. I'll be back with you guys when I believe this dish is close to being done. Alright, the pork chops are done cooking. The sauce reduced quite a bit, and once I take it off the heat, it'll actually thicken up even more. Everything just smells great. Wish you guys could smell this. I'm going to have a good dinner. My sides are almost done inside. I'm just steaming some vegetables for the side. If you guys like the videos I'm putting out and everything, please hit the like button, comment on them. I appreciate every comment that I get. I really do. I try to respond to each and every one of you. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you'll know that when I drop a new video and everything. I try to do these cast iron Wednesdays every Wednesday. I have missed a few, but I try not to. So I believe I'm going to call this done. Take it inside, get it plated up. I'll be back with you guys here in just a little bit for a taste test. Hey guys, take a look at that. That just looks totally beautiful right there. So let's take a test of this. Oh wow, perfectly cooked. Very juicy inside and everything. A taste you can only get using cast iron, I swear to it. I apologize for taking such a big bite, but that was very good. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Emma, thank you very much for the shout out on your Cast Iron Wednesday that you did with your dad. Everybody, you need to check out D.A. Barry. He does some good stuff. Emma, still have my napkin right there. Y'all have a blessed day.